Bluebee Pals, and Laura can, I see you put the resource page for your apps. Yeah, I noticed that on your resource page, you highlight a lot of great apps. Some of them I've included here. Most of them were from my book, but I added a few others. And I had not seen this until Laura had told me about it, and it's really quite fun. So this time I'm going to show you just a glimpse of the app that teaches life skills and has a bunch of educational mini games. This is just, really quick little demo. Let's take a look at the Bluebee Pal app. There's a lot to it. I'm just in one activity. Let's go into the bathroom.
Hi, everyone. It's time for Bluebee to take a shower and get clean. Tap the shower to get you wet. Tap the sponge to wash my fur. Thanks. I'm all clean now. Oops, but I'm still wet. Tap the hairdryer to blow my fur dry. Or you can even try me with the bath towel.
I was just trying to tap on different things.
Bath towel. Tap the hairbrush and brush my fur so it's nice and soft.
So it's all about exploring and learning. So I would be working with the individual and say, I wonder what would happen if we did this, and then try to see if that person could guess, and then we would do it.
Brush on the shelf. Tap on a toothbrush to clean my teeth.
But I love how this is real life skills that you're working on. So you can have a lot of fun.
And you brush my teeth in 20 seconds?
So this app is free, right, Laura?
Tap on the toothbrush and
It's not free to get the Bluebee Pal, but the app is free. And I was really impressed. I mean, there's just so much great teaching that goes into this, so they learn really good skills, like brushing your teeth. Then you see how long you should brush your teeth for. I thought that was really brilliant. I was very impressed.